Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. In this quick morning update, you can see Bitcoin fell yesterday, as what I talked about in the video yesterday. I had a feeling that Bitcoin was going to go down, right? Because it was sitting up there in that upper resistance, and we went over with the volume indicator and all of this, why I thought it would break down towards the bottom part of that white support zone, and now we've broken below that, right? So what I would watch out for now is, do you trade down, right, and retouch finally this regional double bottom all the way down there at about 25,400, or do some buyers come back in tonight as the futures market opens and you try to pump back into this white support zone, right? That's the two things you got to watch out for, because you're in really dangerous territory with the Bitcoin price, right? We were getting rejected by that blue ring. I don't know what happened to my orange ring. That sucks. I got to figure out where my orange ring went. But we got rejected by that blue ring. There's supposed to be an orange ring down there. I'm not sure what happened to it. Probably got deleted, or maybe I hit it. But you can see we're floating down there. And if we zoom out a little bit more to the 3-hour time frame, you can see that bottom down there at 25,000. And then this could be a big bearish continuation pattern, where in this white support zone is your consolidation on your bearish consolidation, and you could be looking at a targeted move from the top to the bottom to the point of a breakout, and that would get you all the way down there to $17,000. And as we do know, we have a late 2022 target of $13,336, 69.69% chance of happening. It's more like 100% chance of happening now. We've been calling for this since the Bitcoin price was at 64,000 and rising. We were the bullish call down that this was going to break down, and all these coins were going to, a lot of them were going to go to zero, and some of them, and even more of them, are going to get close to zero. And you're starting to see all these digits go to 0.40s now on a lot of coins. So that's what we're watching in the immediate close time frame. What I would watch out for, if we zoom into the hour time frame, is, can you get any kind of support and try to pump back up, or is this just another little consolidation and you're going to have a big move down to 25,000? Which is very possible, and you guys need to be paying attention for that. Luna, I told you not to buy. I told you it was a scam. The Daquan's a joke. Then if you look at Ethereum, we've had a big call on Ethereum, where it's actually broke that. Back when it was at its all-time high, we said it would hit $1,700 on a fall. It got close and pumped, but now you can see it's coming way down. And Ethereum, we went over extensively what was going on with that. We had a huge head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. Do you see that? You had a big head and shoulders there, and I believe this price, we've had these targets down here. We've already started to take some of them out. We took the 2276 out, we took the 1907.89 out, and we're right now taking out the 1503.14 out. And then your next run's $1,000, and then I could see even one day a big bottom on the towards the end of this year, maybe a $200 Ethereum, right? And I'm absolutely paying attention for that, as now it doesn't seem so improbable. It seems more plausible that we're going to hit a $275 Ethereum, and I'd be watching out for that, as I believe we have another big leg to the downside in Ethereum. Cardano, again, we got rejected by that orange support zone. You can see that right here. We came up against it and got violently rejected like we were talking about. And now your next leg down could be straight down to that 32 cents and the top part of the shithouse. And you had another coin making it to the shithouse. You can see Dogecoin continues to fall. And remember Dogecoin. I told you Dogecoin when it was at 73 cents with Elon Musk and the Jeff Bezos nonsense. And all these guys were touting. Every crypto insider was touting this nonsense. And old Vincenzo told you Dogecoin would get back below a penny. And Dogecoin's sitting at 8 cents. And its next leg to the downside is going to take you down through the last line of defense and even closer to the shithouse down there and all the way down to 2 cents, right? And then the next step down below that is going to be a penny, right? And then you're going to be sub 1 penny again. And old Vincenzo has been trying to warn you on this and Dogecoin since that Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos nonsense that I had to hear about. The Doge was going to be the next best crypto because Elon Musk was tweeting pictures of it. And I tried to save you. A lot of people at work out here at Rivian in 2021, the springtime, they bought Dogecoin all the way up there where old Vincenzo had a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern with a targeted move of 9 cents. We've breached the 9 cents now a year later, but all these jabronis at work that were buying at 60 and 70 cents saying, well, if it goes to $1, I'm rich. They're all holding a massive bag. And so far it's down about 90%. And it's been an orderly fall. So I expect at some point a big 50 or 60% crash within a few hours or a day. And I do believe Dogecoin is going way, way down there, well below a penny and all the way back to the mean that it was at for a very long time down there at point a bunch of zeros and a 1, right? I tried to give you that warning. Not a lot of people took it. A lot of people got fleece heisted and shisted to an extreme degree imaginable. The same thing with this XRP. You had your big top back here at the hype train of 2018. We've never sniffed that again in this bull run. And I tried to tell everybody in this 12, 13 month consolidation that this is not a bullish load up. It was a bearish blow off top. And this was going to trade down on an inverted head and shoulder, or a horizontal head and shoulders, or a slanted, tilted head and shoulders. And this price was coming all the way down here to 19 cents. And I've been having a long-standing call that I believe XRP could get south of 10 cents again, like it was before it started the last run up, where it was sitting at 5, 6, 7 cents for a long, long time. And everyone gave me shit. I don't hear that guy talking shit anymore when he thought the Bitcoin or the XRP price was ready to break out up there. He was getting all into the comment section again, but we won't hear from him for quite some time because the price is crashing. And I believe this is going to be south of 10 cents, maybe as early as the end of the year. But in the next couple of months, that the symmetrical triangle, the neutral continuation pattern that we had here in red, the targeted move out of that is going to be met. And that's all the way down here at 19 cents. And we've had this call since these two circles up there when the price was at 150, 160, 170. We were out ahead of the competition and making bold calls as your crypto insider, unbiased and impartial to the market, only gives you what he sees and what I see in the market and where I think the coins are going in the short and long term and what you need to be prepared for. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.